Hello everyone. I am Parikshit V of class SHS3D of Arvind International School. Due to COVID pandemic, our class are held through online. The online classes are been graceful and I am very proudful of my science teacher Chetan Abbur sir giving me an opportunity to summarize the chapter acid bases and salts. Today, I am going to summarize the whole chapter of acid, bases, and salts. Contents: acids, indicators, reaction with metals, neutralization, alkalis, pH scale, chlorine gas, bleaching powder, and baking soda, washing soda, plaster of Paris, etc. Acids. Acids are the chemical agents that release the hydrogen ions when added to water. Properties of acids. Sour to taste, they change the color of blue litmus to red litmus. Base. Base is a substance that can accept the hydrogen ion from another substances. Properties of base. Bitter in taste, they change the color of red litmus to blue litmus. Indicators. Indicators are the chemical substances which give the different colors in acidic or base. Natural indicators. Litmus, turmeric, red cabbage leaves, colored petals of some flowers. What happens to a stain of curry on a white cloth when soap is scrubbed on it? The stain becomes reddish brown because soap is basic in nature. You have been provided with three test tubes A, B, and C. One of them contains distilled water and the other two contain acidic solution and basic solution respectively. If you are given only red litmus paper, how will you identify the contents of each test tube? In each test tube, put the blue litmus paper. In test tube B, it will turn red but no change will occur in test tube A and C. Put the litmus paper in test tube B and C, it will turn blue in showing it contains basic solution but no change will occur in A. A contains distilled water, B contains acidic solution and C contains basic solution. A knife which is used to cut a fruit was immediately dipped into water containing drops of blue litmus solution. If the color of the solution is changed to red, what interference can be drawn about the nature of fruit and why? The fruit is acidic because acidic solution changes blue litmus solution to red. Olfactory indicators. Substances whose odor change in acidic or basic media are called olfactory indicators. Examples: onion, vanilla, and cloves. Principle of olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators works on the principle that when an acid or base is added, then its characteristic smell can be detected. Take about 5 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube and add few some pieces of zinc granules to it. What do you observe when acid like HCl, HNO3 and CH3OOH is taken instead of sulfuric acid? The same observation is seen when sulfuric acid is replaced with HCl, HNO3 and CH3OOH. Reaction of metals with acids. Metals combine with an acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. It is displaced from the acids. Acid reacts with metals to produce salt and hydrogen gas. Acid reacts with metals carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonates to give salt and carbon dioxide along with water. And acid reacts with base to produce salt and water. Take two test tube A and B. Take about 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate in a test tube A and take about 0.5 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate in a test tube B. Add about 2 ml of dilute HCl to the both test tubes. What do you observe? Sodium carbonate on the reaction with the dilute HCl forms sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. As sodium carbonate is a basic salt, while hydrochloric acid is an acid, neutralization takes place. What happens when the gas produced in the each test tube is passed through the lime water? On passing the gas evolved through the lime water, it turned milky with the formation of white precipitate. What happens when excess carbon dioxide is passed through calcium carbonate? On passing excess CO2, the white precipitate disappears as soluble calcium bicarbonate is formed. Take 2 ml of dilute NaOH solution in a test tube and 2 drops of phenolphthalein solution is added to it. What is the color of the solution? The color of the solution is pink. When the dilute HCl solution is added to the above solution drop by drop, is there any color change for the reaction mixture? If the dilute HCl is added to the solution, then the color of the solution fades. If we keep on adding HCl, the solution becomes colorless. Why did the color of the phenolphthalein change after the addition of an acid? HCl being a strong acid will neutralize NaOH. Does the pink color of the phenolphthalein reappear? If few drops of NaOH is added again to the same solution, the solution become basic and the pink color of the phenolphthalein reappears. Neutralization reaction. Acid reacts with base to produce salt and water. Acid plus base give rise to salt plus water. Why should curd and sour substances not be kept in brass and copper vessels? Curd and other sour substances contain acids. Therefore, when they are kept in brass and copper vessels, the metal reacts with the acid to liberate hydrogen gas and harmful products, thereby spoiling the food. Why these sour substances are effective in cleaning the vessels? Lemon or tamarind juice is acidic in nature and reacts with oxidized copper to dissolve it into salt and water. Thus, copper vessel is cleaned. What is responsible for acidic property? The hydrogen ions in solution are responsible for the acidic property of acids. Take about 1 gram of solid NaCl in a clean and dry test tube and set up the apparatus as shown in figure. Add some concentrated sulfuric acid to the test tube. The reaction takes place and the hydrochloric acid gas is produced. Test the gas evolved successfully with dry and wet blue litmus paper. In which case does the litmus paper change color? The gas has no effect on the dry litmus paper but the wet litmus paper turns into red. On the basis of the above activity, what do you infer about the acidic character of dry HCl gas and HCl solution? Experiments suggest that the hydrogen ions in HCl are produced in the presence of water. The separation of hydrogen ion from the HCl molecules cannot occur in the absence of water. Why does an aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity? Acids dissociate in aqueous solution to form ions. These ions are responsible for conduction of electricity. Why do acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water because the dissociation of the hydrogen ions form an acids occur in the presence of water only. It is the hydrogen ions that are responsible for the acidic behavior. Base reaction with water. Base produce hydroxide ions in the water. Alkalis. Bases which are soluble in water are called as alkalis. Characteristics of alkalis. Alkalis are soapy to touch. They are corrosive in nature and bitter to taste. Universal indicators. An indicator which shows different colors or the different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution is called as universal indicator. pH scale. A scale of measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called as pH scale. Strong acids. Acids that give rise to more hydrogen ions or acid in which the complete dissociation of hydrogen ions takes place are called as strong acid. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Weak acids. Acid that give less hydrogen ions or acid in which there is a partial dissociation of hydrogen ions are called as weak acids. Example, acetic acid and oxalic acid are the examples of weak acids. Antacid. An antacid is a base which is used to reduce the pain and irritation caused by the excess production of acid in the stomach due to indigestion. Example, magnesium hydroxide. A person is suffering from indigestion due to intake of hot spicy food. What remedy will you prescribe to the patient? Give the name of the chemical that can give relief to him. The person should be given an antacid like milk of magnesia. Tooth decay. Tooth decay is the corrosion of tooth enamel. When the pH in the mouth is below 5.5, bacteria present in the mouth produce acids by the degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. This corrodes the tooth enamel causing tooth decay. Reducing tooth decay. The best way to prevent tooth decay is to clean the mouth after eating food. Use toothpaste, which are generally basic for cleaning the teeth, can neutralize the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. How can the pain and irritation caused by bee sting be reduced? Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Use of mild base like baking soda on the stung area reduces the pain and irritation. The soil in a field is highly acidic. List any two materials which can be added to this soil to reduce its acidity. Give reason. Calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, and magnesium carbonate can be added to neutralize the acidity of the soil. Importance of pH in our daily life. Our body works within the pH range of 7 to 7.8. When the pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called as acid rain. Acid produced in stomach which causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use antacid like milk of magnesia. Rock salt. Large crystals of sodium chloride are called as rock salts. Why rock salt are brown in color? Rock salt is brown in color due to impurities. Preparation of sodium hydroxide or chloralkali process. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Name the gas produced at cathode and anode. Chlorine gas is given off at anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. At which electrode is sodium hydroxide formed? Sodium hydroxide is formed at cathode. Uses of chlorine gas. It is used for water treatment. It is used in swimming pools as disinfectant. It is used for manufacture of PVC, CFCs, bleaching powder and pesticides. Uses of hydrogen gas. It is used as fuel. It is used in manufacture of ammonia. It is used as manufacture of ghee and margarine. Uses of sodium hydroxide. It is used for degreasing metals. It is used in making papers. It is used for manufacture of soap and detergents. It is used in artificial fiber industry. Uses of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used for cleaning steel. It is used in manufacture of ammonium chloride. It is used in manufacture of medicine and cosmetics. Preparation of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by action of chlorine on dry slacked lime. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride and its formula is CaOCl2. Baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate and its formula is NaHCO3. Baking soda is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. Effect on heating baking soda. When baking soda is heated during cooking, sodium carbonate is formed. Uses of baking soda. Baking soda is used in manufacture of baking powder. It is used in antacids to neutralize excess acid in the stomach and provide relief. It is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. Washing soda. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate and its formula is Na2CO3. How washing soda is prepared? When baking soda is heated, sodium carbonate is produced. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. Uses of washing soda. Washing soda is used in manufacture of glass, soap and paper and it is used in manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Water of crystallization. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Plaster of Paris. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate and the formula is CaSO4 1/2H2O. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container because plaster of Paris, a powdery mass, absorbs water to form a hard solid known as gypsum. Uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used by doctors for supporting fractured bones in the right position. It is used for making toys. It is used for making materials for decoration. It is used for making surface smooth. Thank you.